First thing I did last. Joe Biden, not Joe Biden, Joe Budden. Pump it up. Happy Thanksgiving. All right, first thing I did last night was start the greens. So the greens were on from 8 to 12, so that was 4 hours. We're putting them back on low to let them run again. I got my green beans getting ready to go on. I'll show y'all that. All right, got my noodles boiling to make macaroni and cheese. I need to get all the cheese out because I also have to grate one. Literally, I have New York extra sharp cheddar. I got Kodiak. I got, not that one. I got mozzarella. Parmesan, sharp cheddar, and mozzarella. Yeah, I got all the goods. Just a mixture. They're called photographers, girl.
Yeah, they can photographer on the side where everybody else is. They don't get any other free right to be over there.
Preach, preacher. Oh, look, they got Mario. Oh, look what you've done. Sweet Pony Club. Keep on dancing at the Pink Pony Club. I'm gonna keep on dancing at the Pink Pony Club. All right, y'all. So yes, officially happy Thanksgiving. I am currently making me the banquet sausage and gravy deep dish. Takes about 4 to 5 minutes. I made coffee because I'm using the other outlet for the green beans. So I have the greens on, I have the green beans on, and then macaroni and cheese is out. I just need to put it together, all that good stuff. Shred up that one block, which will be part of the mac and cheese. And then, you know, just like bake it and separate it. And then I'm gonna have to pour that turkey out in the next 20 minutes and let it soak for a little bit because I want to. I just want to make sure like I didn't need to drain the noodles or whatever. So yeah, that's my plan. Let me get moving. right there. I washed it yesterday. Underneath that thankful plate. Alright, y'all, so the pan that I bought from Ollie's is too small because my grandma has to come over and get her mac and cheese that just came out. She's gonna bring a pan. I honestly think that we could swing it. It's just the negativity. So anyways, I'm gonna season it up and get ready to, you know, get all that good stuff going. So that way I can get ready to put that in because it's going to take 4 hours. And if I put it in around 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, which is still a good time. But, like I said, I need to season it. So mac and cheese is done. Let me show y'all that. Of course, I had to taste test. But I have mine, and I'm giving her this one. They're the same, made the same, either way. And like I said, the last thing later would be the rolls, which can go in right after the turkey comes out because it's still going to need time to cool down. And then I need to do the cornbread, and then I'll need to do the mashed potatoes and the stuffing. The stuffing I'm definitely waiting until the end for because it takes no time. So just finished watching the Macy's Day Parade. I'm going to try to clean up and kind of get my kitchen back in order. We're going to try to clean as we go today just so that we don't feel overwhelmed with a bunch of dishes. And I'll check you out in a little bit. All right, here we go. Got the pan. Got our Tony's injectable butter. Just moving one step at a time here. Literally. Comes with the needle. It's about $4 or $5, so it's a good price. We definitely want to get these legs. Plump, 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 plump the legs. Pump, pump, pump it up. Joe Budden. Pump, pump, pump it up. Y'all know that was on
Who are you talking to?
You
said y'all. That's what I asked you. You said y'all, yeah.
You, the camera, whoever listening. You know, that song was on You Got Served. You don't like You Got Served, do you?
Nope.
Pump it up. I was like, okay. And that's when they did their little dance battle. I'm gonna have to watch that. I like that. Huh?
Yeah, you ain't.
Why not?
Oh.
Okay.
Leave that shit right where it's at. I don't know where it's at. In the past.
I gotta watch Matilda, Say the Last Dance, Love and Basketball before 2025. And oh yeah, y'all know it's time for the lampoon.
Here you go with this y'all shit again. You recording over there?
Oh,
Okay, no, I'm sorry. I'm talking and stuff.
but I'm talking to
sorry.
you too.
I didn't know. I'm sorry. I know you like to do your little thing. I didn't know. I'm sorry. I was like, she keeps saying y'all.
I'm trying over here. Trying. Okay. Let's see. Chuck likes to save these little things, gizzards. So I'm gonna give them a little injection. Oh Lord. Okay.
You can't inject no gizzard, baby. Just put seasoning over.
I got this. You can inject the gizzards. Watch.
Man, you better not drop my damn gizzard.
There we go. Poke a little hole. Yeah, get a little tender. Get it in there. All right.
I told you about to say, take me through that.
No.
I can't stand it.
No, I am no.
I can't stand it. Take me through there. Take me through there.
Yeah,
no.
no.
I can't stand it.
All right, so I'm gonna let that marinate up in there until I'm done with this. I couldn't, you know, put seasoning like everywhere. But there we go. I also have 1 tablespoon of flour down in there to make gravy. I don't know what it is, but the way that the turkey makes gravy is much better than the store-bought gravy in my opinion. So now I'm gonna get ready to put these seasonings back and wash dishes and just chill for a little bit, because the last few things take literally less than like 15-20 minutes to make, and I could use some time to edit right about now to get some of these other vlogs off my phone. Well, my kids asked for quesadillas.